Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see ASME Section 8, Division 1, Suggested Good Practice, regarding internal structures, Appendix D. We have all these courses available on our Thinkific platform. To learn more about these courses, register with the link given in the description.
Now let us talk about the non-mandatory Appendix D. So if you see here, there are 3 points. It's a small appendix. So these are the 3 points which I have listed. So first of all, connections to the vessel wall should be such that it's tensile stress which is getting generated because of that loading should not go normal to the pressure vessel wall. Okay. Now how that happens, once we are, that is the reason we never directly weld the attachment or the internal to the pressure vessel. Because if, first of all, let us consider it's a very simple member, which is supporting some other internal. Now, if we are welding it to the both ends, there is no expansion allowed for this part, and it will behave differently than the vessel. So it will try to expand, and there is no provision for that. There will be additional stresses created. So while supporting this internal, we should be very careful that there is no outward stress created because of this support. Okay. If this is the support and we want to provide it, we have to provide a temporary attachment which we can weld it to the vessel, and then one side we can weld it, other side we'll have to give a sliding type joint. Okay. So a bolt we can provide with a slotted holes, so that other end it will be freely, the other end is free to move. Okay. If we are keeping it free to move, it will not exert the stresses. So mandatory Appendix D is sort of guideline, which is giving a guideline to see how this, it's not giving detailed calculation, but a guideline how to provide these supports. The structure should be rested on the top of their support, like it is there. I cannot hang this. I'll have to keep whatever internal support, it should be above this supporting arrangement. Okay, the part which is welded directly to the shell, on top of it, the internal should come. Okay. Great. I hope it is making sense. There has to be some corrosion allowance also on the internals. If it is, it may be carrying some weight, right? So it should not happen that it has corroded and after that it is not able to sustain its weight also. Then it will fall down. Okay. Or it may have some lining on it. It may have a material like SS which does not corrode. Okay. So if it is very frequently we are changing that internal, then we may not have to provide the corrosion allowance for that. Okay. So that all depends upon the uses of it.